Back at Obesity Week. We're here in the Expo Center with Lexicon. We'll talk to them. And we're also here with Protein20. So we'll speak with both of them. I'll let you know what they have available and where you can get it. So listen to me 1 second.
How many pounds do you lose after one of these class? I said every Wednesday, every Thursday.
It's a protein water. Fit for me. Lexicon. Who would like get back to work? Who would like to give a 1-minute overview on live TV, broadcasting live around the world? Just a 1-minute overview.
Do it.
We're here. Ralph is the most camera-ready guy, and he's a dude. And then you can tell the chicks you were on TV.
So what TV is going to be on?
Yeah, what TV?
It's Sync Media Network. It's streaming broadcasting around the world. So just 1 minute on your product, where to find it.
You guys look good.
Do you want to do it?
Do it right there. You get Lexion in there.
I'm like, no.
Come over there. It's rolling right now, so we're live around the world.
Wow, live around the world right now.
Just say what your product does.
All right, so the name of the product is called Insuflow Port, and the machine is called the AP5030. It heats and humidifies the CO2, all right, at 95 degrees, 95% relative humidity, and it also provides high flow. So laparoscopic and robotic surgery is what it's used for, and when they lose pneumo during the cases, right, it will keep their gas up so they can continue working, right, and people really like it, and it's the only product that uses completely 100% CO2. Very important. We don't want to use oxygen ever in the surgeries because oxygen, as you know, is combustible.
Yeah.
Very dangerous, right? We don't want any fires or explosions in a patient, which can be dangerous. So,
Okay.
that's really it.
Great product. Lexion. Lexion.com.
Yes.
LexionMedical.com.
Medical.com. Okay. Make sure you try their product. Sounds like a great idea. And again, you don't want oxygen in your room because then everybody gets a whole face over makeover. Thank you. I'm going to send it back to you in the studio. JT Ippolito from Obesity Week 2019.